Welcome to our comparison of the ROVE R2-4K and ROVE R2-4K Dash Cams. Today we will delve into their specifications, features, and performance to help you make an informed choice. The ROVE R2-4K is a single-lens camera priced at $119, while the ROVE R2-4K offers dual-lens recording for $199. Let's see how they stack up against each other. The ROVE R2-4K is priced at $119, making it an affordable option for those seeking quality without breaking the bank. In contrast, the ROVE R2-4K comes at a higher price of $199. While the dual-lens model is more expensive, it offers additional features that may justify the cost for some users. Both dash cams deliver excellent video quality, with the ROVE R2-4K providing 4K resolution. The ROVE R2-4K enhances this by offering 4K resolution for the front camera and 1080p for the rear camera, ensuring comprehensive coverage while driving. The ROVE R2-4K comes equipped with essential features such as built-in Wi-Fi, GPS, and parking mode. On the other hand, the ROVE R2-4K offers advanced features including dual-channel recording, a larger screen, and a 128GB microSD card included, making it a more feature-rich option for users who want the best. In conclusion, both the ROVE R2-4K and ROVE R2-4K dash cams offer excellent video quality and features. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option, the ROVE R2-4K is a great choice. However, if you want enhanced features and dual recording capabilities, the ROVE R2-4K is worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.